time waiting that second chance for a breakdown will make it okay. There's always some reason feel not a good enough, and it's hard in the end of the day. I need some distraction, oh beautiful release. Memories slip from my veins, let me be empty, oh weightless, and maybe find some peace tonight. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this dark cold hotel room. In the endless peace that you fear, you are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You in the arms of the angel, there you'll find some comfort here. So tired of the struggle life, and everywhere you turn, there's butcher and thieves at your back, and the storm keeps on twisting. You keep on building the lies that you make up for all that you like. It don't make no difference. Escape me one last time. It's easier to believe in this sweet madness. Oh, go